Hello, Gary McDonald from Invest for Your Life. Excuse the hat and sunglasses, but I have to look after the Chrome Dome. I'm not getting any younger. Just wanted to send you a quick message thanking you very sincerely for investing your time and registering for our upcoming workshop on the 29th of July at Crowne Plaza Resort, Surfers Paradise. This workshop, as you know, features Michael Matusik, one of the best analysts in this country, and it's going to be a fabulous night. It's not only that though, we'll be presenting some additional information we call millionaire moments, and this is invaluable, absolutely invaluable. But it's really, the night is about the Leukemia Foundation, a wonderful organisation. Unfortunately, most of us really don't understand what benefits these organisations provide until we're personally impacted. And unfortunately, a couple of years ago I was, and lost a family member to leukemia, and the foundation was absolutely brilliant. This is an organisation that's not funded by government, and they provide just a wonderful service. They're very caring people committed to helping others. So we really do thank you, and we do trust that you'll come along. We do have a few spaces. We had a couple of cancellations, so if anyone has a friend they'd like to bring along, please ask them to go to the website www.ifyl.com.au and register. Only takes about 60 seconds. There are only a few places available though. It's almost full, and it's only the cancellations that enable us to have those spare places. So look, we do look forward to your attendance on that night. Can't wait to meet you, and please be very generous. This workshop really is worth, we believe, thousands and thousands of dollars. So the more you can donate, the more the Leukemia Foundation is going to benefit. The whole lot, all the money, every cent goes to the foundation, so donations at the door. Really do encourage it. Can't wait to see you on the night. 29th of July, Crowne Plaza Resort, Surfers Paradise. Registration from 5:30 p.m. We'll be kicking off sharp 6 p.m. See you there.